How to contact DHgate customer support. Let's get started. Launch your DHgate app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of account. Once you're in the account page, here you're gonna find different options. Scrolling down under more features, you'll find the option of contact us. Click on that option. With that, you'll be directed to this page. In this page, you're gonna find two options: auto-related problem or suggestions for DHgate. Go ahead and select the option of auto-related problem or report issues. With that, you'll be directed to customer service page. Here you will find different topics. You can go ahead and click on the topic in which you are having the issue and go through the process. Or in the case you want to have live conversation, you can click on the option of online service. You will get two options, chat or social media. You can click on the option of online chat. Now here you can have live conversation with the DHgate customer support service. You can just type in your message over here and send it. With that, DHgate customer support team will get back to you. You can have the conversation and you can talk about your problem, and with that your problem will be resolved. So this way you can easily contact DHgate customer support. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.